Let's kick it off here. We're going to continue going. This is rookies and stars really surprising us tonight. This is dual box 5 and 6. We're looking at 10:40 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Appreciate you guys being here. Glad you guys are hanging out, chatting it up. Good. I don't know if you guys saw, if you guys had any grades come back if you had any grades at the actual national itself, go ahead and check them out. They're up. So those will be shipped back to us. The other grade submission went in on Monday. So I sent it on Monday. Good news about that one. Got a little 5-day turnaround on that last submission. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So hopefully it'll be here sooner than later. Like I said, guys, we just want to start to build that consistency. So anyway. Box 5 and 6. Here we go. Tons of base, but guys, this stuff looks good. I'm not going to play around. Ramkinator, if you want to make the drive from Baton Rouge, if you want to. All right, here we go. Looks good. I like it so far tonight. Because these look good, these Crusades. There's Eddie Lacy. By the way, I forget who pulled that the Eddie Lacy 3 of 5 out of finest. I think it was K Spec. And you always want that to be autoed, but nice little Barkley. Yeah, that Eddie Lacy that we hit 2 out of 5. Those things are going, well, not even 2 out of 5s, just like the ones out of 15 are going for just an absurd amount of money. So when that comes back graded, because what do we get? We got a 9.5 Eddie Lacy out of Elite, that red border one that came back a 9.5, which is really nice. Here's LaShawn McCoy, 24-32. Yeah, just got that one submitted for you. But you guys will be getting good mail days this week. You guys are, anybody that did their grades for the first time, you guys are getting your grades back. Once you guys get the actual graded slabs in your hand, you guys will be like, yep, this is legit. We just had to get over that first submission hump. So now it'll just be on a regular basis. So. Did you guys work out a trade for that Kenny Stills patch or something? Matt Barkley hot box. This is a solid auto. Look at this. 11 out of 99. Too bad he's not the starter, but you know that Mike Vick's going to get knocked out. You know that. And then you never know. Is it a battle between Foles and Barkley, or is Barkley holding a clipboard all year? Barkley does sell. Who's got Philadelphia? Kiss Guru? Come on, dude. You guys share some hits, brother. Here's a nice Crusade of Quentin Patton. Jasper Collins, 20 out of 25, so shorter print. I like it. The autos are clean, low-numbered stuff. Crusades look good. Nice patches, short print. There's not much you can ask for in the right price point, because this is a ridiculous 17 for 2 teams for 2 boxes. Yeah. Another Crusade all day, all day. Little AP. We going to Jamie R. Scotty P. Uh-oh. This one's numbered. I like it. So Ryan Nassib. But that'll be numbered 33 out of 49. I imagine those are going to... Are these selling? Anybody give me an update? Are these selling on the bay right now? That's going to Happy R47. Hashtag drop the cup. Right. Here's Jordan Reed. That's going to be 84, $2.99. Going to those skins. Last pack in box number 5, but you guys got a whole another box to go, which is good. I like this stuff. I'm not going to play around. I might order a box for myself. I rarely do this. I rarely order a box for myself. But I like it, man. There's some good hits. Keep it consistent. Some nice patches. Auto, short print. So you guys got a whole nother box yet, so don't go anywhere. Did that break sell out? The one that was up? Did you guys want to do the last 2 boxes, or did you want me to maybe just do one individual box, like super cheap, for anybody that wanted to jump in, just because there's only 2 boxes left in the case and I'm done with it. Maybe I'll just put up 1 box because I got to save 1 box as well. Or we could do a box of finest. I don't know. I don't know. It's up to you guys. It's a light crowd here tonight tuning in for rookies and stars, but that's okay. Mike Glennon, and that's $245, $2.99. Going to Tampa Bay. Darius Slay, and that's $39.99. Going to those Lions. Crusade, Aaron Dobson. Here we go. Ryan Swope, auto. Going to Arizona, Kerry Wheeler. all day. 92.99. One of those Vikes. Another Crusade. That's going to be Manti. Going to San Diego. I'm trying, man. Scared I'll pull a big hit and then it'll flop all over the table, and you know how that goes. There he is. Dr. R in the house. You guys are all coming together. I like it. You guys are ganging up on everybody. Yeah. What was the third card? There's 35 at 299. That's Stephon Taylor, little jersey. This would be the time that somebody would be like, hey, what was in pack 4 of Dual Box 3? Oh, it'd be the auto. Nice. Guys, this case is hot. 72, 299. Tavon Austin. St. Louis, my KY. I figured it out. It's not my KY. It's Mikey 77. I got this now. I got this. I was reading it. I was like, wait a second. This is all starting to add up. It's all starting to come together. So, again, a solid turnout. Guys, the Crusade. Okay, so there's a gorgeous Tavon. You got Stephon, Manti Te'o. The Crusade cards are awesome. Ryan Swope. But the Crusade cards are super nice. Some of them are short print. You got Darius Slay, but really nice stuff. All right. I'm killing my times right now, guys.